Best Google AI course in 2026. Don't pay for one until you watch this. If you're looking for the best Google AI course in 2026, don't pay for an expensive AI course before checking Google's own training first. Google currently offers several official AI learning options, including free introductory courses and more advanced programs. For complete beginners, Google AI Essentials is probably the easiest place to start. It's designed for people with zero experience and teaches AI fundamentals, productivity, prompting, responsible AI use, and practical ways to work with generative AI. The Philippines version says it has 5 modules and can be completed at your own pace. But here's where things get more interesting. If you already understand the basics and want something more career-focused, Google's new AI Professional Certificate goes much further. It includes more than 20 hands-on activities covering prompting, research, writing, content creation, data analysis, AI workflows, and even building apps with AI. It also covers tools like Gemini, NotebookLM, Google Workspace, and Google AI Studio. And you don't necessarily need to pay for a course just to start learning. Google's AI Learning Catalog currently includes no-charge courses such as Introduction to Generative AI, AI Power UPS for Google Workspace, Introduction to Large Language Models, and Introduction to AI Image Generation. There's also a big difference between learning about AI and actually practicing with it. A course that spends hours explaining what AI is might sound impressive, but you'll get more value from one that makes you use prompting, research, content creation, automation, and real workflows. So my recommendation is simple. Start with Google's free resources, then use AI Essentials if you're a beginner. Move to the AI Professional Certificate if you want deeper, practical skills for work. Don't spend hundreds of dollars on a random Google AI Masterclass just because it has a fancy title.